All right, brand new, fully automated espresso machine. Here we go. I think I'm gonna try a latte. Not really a froth. I have my old espresso machine. I didn't really froth it, but what I've read, it actually brings the sweetness out, which would forego me using sugar. So here we go. So I'm gonna make a latte. It's got the menu on there. Press that. I already preset the quantities. I'm going to try 70 milliliters of coffee and 70 milliliters because I can show you. Let's go to 70, and I guess the default was higher than that. Start. Milk tank is connected. Confirm. This thing's adjustable. Push it down so you don't have a lot of splashing. This thing's quickly disconnects to put it in the fridge. And confirm. It's connected. Set it, and there it goes, man. Let's see what it does. It's already been preheating. Everything's been cleaned. It's timing up there. Oh man, this is cool. And it's gonna overflow. Okay, I thought I was joking. Okay. Man, that was close. It's grinding the beans. You can hear it grinding the beans. Now it's brewing, I can tell. They're listening. And here comes the coffee. And if I want iced coffee, it's telling me I can go get a cup of ice. I'm using this cup just for demonstration use. Wow, look at the coffee coming through the foam. This thing pre-cleaned itself. When it's done, it'll clean itself. And weekly, I can take the pods out. The used coffee pods. They're not really pods, but it's telling me something. The milk line is not cleaned. I don't know what the hell that means. So, uh-oh. The fuck was that? Uh-oh. Well, there we go. What just happened? I don't know. So, but it looks cool. Anyway, that was that.